Today we're going to take a look at the Optronics 3-inch square black aluminum flood beam LED work light for a quantity of 1. Now this square work light will provide bright white light for industrial, agricultural, and recreational applications. It does give off a flood beam, which is great for seeing out in front of you and even off to both sides. It does use the durable SMT construction, which is surface mount technology on the LED circuit board. This will help better withstand shock and vibration, and it allows for improved heat distribution. The LEDs they use are great replacements for incandescent lights because they'll last 50 times longer. They are more efficient, provide brighter light with less power output. There's no bulbs to replace, no brittle filaments. This is a durable, water-resistant construction. It has a nice black powder coat die-cast aluminum housing, which is rust-proof. The lens on it is a tough polycarbonate lens, which is impact-resistant. And this light meets the IP65 rating for protection against dust and moisture. This is compatible with 12-volt DC systems. It's a very easy installation. Comes with all the mounting hardware you need. It's a recessed flange-style bracket and the bolts to install it. It does have on the back here a 16-inch long 16-gauge power lead and ground wire. Now a few specs on this. The light output. The raw lumen output is 1,800 lumens. The effective lumen output is 780 lumens. It does use 6 diodes. Again, the lead wire length we mentioned is 16 inches long. The input voltage on this is 12.8 volts DC. The power draw at the 12.8 volts DC is 1.4 amps. And I do want to give you some dimensions on this. Now the light just by itself is going to be, as we mentioned, 3 inches by 3 inches by about 2 3/4 inches deep. Overall, including the mounting flange, length on it, edge to edge, is going to be right at 4 3/4 inches by 3 5/8 inches. And as we mentioned before, the depth is going to be right at about 2 3/4 inches deep. Now what I'm going to do is plug this in, hook this up to some 12-volt power just to show you how bright it is and the pattern. So we'll go ahead and take our ground. We'll hook that to the black wire. And we'll go ahead and take our power and hook that to the red wire. And we'll go ahead and turn on our 12-volt power. And you can see with it on, it's a very bright light. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the overhead lights. And with the overhead lights off, you can see how 6 diodes give off a very bright light. And you can see the flood beam pattern it gives off. Go ahead and turn back on the overhead lights. We'll go ahead and turn off our light. But that should do it for the review on the Optronics 3-inch square black aluminum flood beam LED work light for a quantity of 1.
Thanks for watching. Click the link in our description below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com and leave us a comment if you have any questions.